Why does your scanner show the P2765 engine code? What does it mean? P2765 is a diagnostic trouble code for input or turbine shaft speed sensor, circuit B malfunction. It indicates the TCM has detected an irregular signal coming from the input or turbine shaft speed sensor in the transmission. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This code is caused by these possible faults in your car: faulty input or turbine speed sensor, damaged sensor wiring, low transmission fluid level, faulty transmission control module, powertrain control module issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those manufactured since 1996. It is commonly found in Ford, Mitsubishi, Mercedes, Nissan, Honda, Mazda, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.